Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and trade review for September 3rd. Today I only did one trade. It was OKLO on a 5-minute bull triangle that sadly stopped out after going for most of the day. Uh, if we look at the market today, we had a slight gap up from yesterday above all the moving averages, and then we had an attempt to go higher and then going lower, and then at the end of the day going higher. So today was a choppy bull bias because, as you see on the daily, the stock was wedged between the daily 9 and 21. However, it was above the 65, so the 65-minute moving averages was bullish. However, the daily was wedged in between. So we only traded OKLO. This stock I was very bullish on today because in the beginning of the morning, as you see here on the 5-minute, it came down into yesterday's close, made a tail, and this tail was through both the daily moving average, like you see around here, and the 65-minute moving average and the 15-minute moving average and 5-minute moving average. So I had a really good feeling about this stock. As you see here, you see the triangle being formed. I snuck in a little bit early here at over at this price uh, with a stop down here, and initially went a little bit over 1 hour before coming back, consolidating, which was also still looking good, and then eventually giving it all up and going lower. I think the one thing that you could say is that this stock, even though it's chopped around, still is kind of extended on the highest time frame. So this might have been a reason to stay out of the trade. However, I still did like to trade with this being above all the moving averages. So that was the trade for today. We also, on another note, went into a swing trade. It is Bioheaven. Um, this was a monthly breakout above this level, above these levels right here on the 65-minute. You can see on the daily, it's more clear. So stop right here under this bar and entry right here. Initially, when I got off to a good start, however, it pulled back and chopped around, and now back to break even. Those were my trades for today. Hope you enjoyed.